This one meat, horse meat. You know horse meat? This horse meat. I will fry after. Hello guys. Today is my day off, guys. Today is my day off. I'm washing my clothes, guys. I'm washing my clothes. Nowadays, guys, I did not make video because I don't have time to make video because I'm not allowed to make video, not allowed to vlog there because there is camera. Now, today is my day off, guys. I'm in the accommodation, guys. I'm washing my clothes. Guys. Tomorrow I need again to go to my work, guys. How are you today? How are you today, Nezen? How are you today, all my friends? Please continue to watch my YouTube channel, Pilipina Nepali Buhari, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like and comment and share and press the bell button, guys. You just saw that one and click it. Okay, guys. Now I have 1,000 plus my subscriber. Before I'm worried, oh, how can I reach 100, 200, 300, 500 until I reach 1,000, guys, in more than 2 months. Now summer is coming. I will use the other jacket, not this one now. Not this one because summer is coming, guys. I bought grocery, guys. Soft drinks, cola, egg, and this one meat, horse meat. You know horse meat? This horse meat. I will fry after. Horse. They are selling horse here, horse meat. I'm hungry, guys. Thank you, guys, for supporting my YouTube channel, Pilipina Nepali Buhari. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and press the bell button, guys. Dhanabat. They cannot speak. Mostly people here, they cannot speak and understand English. That's why I download apps in my mobile for translation English and their language. I'm asking bread. They don't understand bread. Shohada. Look at the road, guys. What time now, guys? Already afternoon here, guys. But look at the road. Look at the sky. Same at night. At night also, guys. Same color. Same here, guys. The sky is like this. You know, guys. You know here, guys. I never see dark in the sky, guys. Oh my God. It's slippery. I'm walking slowly. My workplace, guys, is only, if you are in hurry, only 15 minutes, guys. But because of the snow, guys, I cannot walk quickly because it's slippery, guys. I'm afraid to fall down. Oh my God. Look at this. That's why I'm walking slowly, guys. What to do, Yani? Life is like this. Laban lang. Be patient, sweetie. Be patient. You know how much this one? 4,000. 4,000 Darmani. What you see at night and what you see in the day night, same color of the sky. Really, I never see dark in the sky. There is no dark night here. Maybe it's because of the cloud. The cloud is white and then down is full of snow. That's why it will be reflected on the light, on the sky. That is my objection. I conclude. That is my conclusion. That is my conclusion, guys. Here, the weather here.
Sabi niya,
Hello, we are cooking pancake. Rhea will cook pancake para ni Marilu. Oh, nagluluto na naman siya ng pancake.
pero pagod.
Pagod ka dyan. Tsaka bulalo. Bulalo kayo dyan. Di ba siya sa'yo ng pancake? Papaturo.
Kasi hindi na nilagay ng butter ko. Hindi ba basa malapot na.
Oo. Pancake. Merienda yan. Ha? Ba't kanina umaga hindi ka gumawa?